Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. Welcome to my blog. Today I'm in King Soopers for a really quick shopping haul here. I'm buying stuff to make chicken noodle soup. This is what I bought. I bought some salad, chopped salad kits. I bought some coffee, some noodles. This chicken was on sale, 99 cents a pound, so I got some of that. And I bought a little bit of watermelon. And I bought this better than bouillon, and it is. I bought some of that, and I'm gonna make some homemade chicken noodle soup today. I'm really excited to show you guys how I do this. Now first I'm just gonna fill up my water, my pot with water. I'm not measuring anything at all, so just this is how you see it. I'm gonna throw in the beginning about 2 chicken legs in here, and they do have the skin on. But in the end, I end up putting 4 chicken legs in this pot. It's about all I could fit. And I'm gonna boil that. I am gonna get the heat going here in a second. You notice the heat is not on, but it will be. There you go. We're gonna get that heat turned up, and I'm gonna boil this water just until the chicken is cooked through to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It will take about 45 minutes. So I am going to add some seasoning to my water. First, I'm going to add a little bit of celery salt, and you can see I'm not measuring, but you can kind of see how much I added in there. Just some regular old celery salt. Next, I'm going to use this Kinder's blend, and it has the salt, the pepper, and the garlic powder. And I use this stuff almost every single time I cook now. I'm going to give this a quick little stir, and we are dealing with raw chicken, so I am washing my hands quite a bit during this process, which I don't show you, but and then just make sure that you are mindful of where you place your utensils and all of that. I do have a little band-aid there on my finger. Sorry about that, but I did have a biometric screening today and I had some stuff done. So, okay, I am adding just one more chicken. You can see these are really big chicken legs, by the way. I was surprised. 99 cents a pound at King Soopers, which is the Kroger brand store, and the Better Than Bouillon that was on sale. So I did buy the beef and the chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of little teaspoons of this Better Than Bouillon, and this is sort of a pasty kind of texture. It was on sale for $5 and something. I think it's like an 8-ounce jar. It's not huge, but it just takes a little bit. Now I did end up putting 2 spoons of that, really small teaspoons there in my pot, and you can see it's kind of hard to get off my spoon, so I did have to get another utensil and sort of scrape that off. But once I get that going and get that stirred up, you can see just how good that looks. Now I'm going to just continue. I'm going to cover this and just going to let it continue to cook, and I will get my thermometer out in about another 20 to 25 minutes. You don't want to overcook the dark meat chicken because it will toughen up, but I just cook it until I get to a temperature of about 100, well, at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit with my meat thermometer. And I just go ahead and take the chicken. You'll see I just take the cooked chicken out of the pot, and I check the temperature in each of those chicken legs right to the center, and I just make sure it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is. Now I've got a second pot out, a little bit smaller pot, you'll see, and I'm straining the broth. I like to strain mine, we like it that way, so you don't have to, but I did strain it, and it's a pretty fine metal strainer. And once I do that, I just clean out that pot, rinse it out, and I'm going to go ahead and pour this chicken broth back into my original pot, because it is a bigger pot, and I'm going to need that bigger pot to add my noodles. Now once I get this added in there, I did end up adding a half of a carton of the Members Mark chicken broth. I just felt like it needed that little bit of extra, so I did add about half a carton of chicken broth. And now I'm going to go ahead and add this bag of noodles, and these are a little bit thinner noodles. You can use whatever noodles you like. We like the old-fashioned noodles, but you can add as many as you like. We like a lot, and so I end up adding almost the whole entire bag to the pot. So I'm going to get that cooking until simmering for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, until those noodles are cooked just the way I want. And then in the meantime, I'm going to shred my chicken, taking it off the bone. I'm discarding the skin. I won't be using the skin, but I'm just shredding all of the meat, getting it off the bone, and I will put some of that meat aside for my little Roscoe, my Yorkie, to add with his food, but most of it will go back into my soup. This soup is amazing, and of course you can add celery and carrots and all of that if you choose. We don't. We just like simple home-style chicken noodle soup. Thanks for watching. Take care.
I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you?